So, very good morning, dear children. Welcome back. So, we are going to continue chapter 1, that is light. Sign convention we have done last time. I hope you have gone through that video. Otherwise, these numericals will be difficult for you. So, ray diagrams you should know thoroughly so that these numericals will be very easy to understand. So, we are going to do this numerical for concave mirror. Just see the question. An object 4 centimeter in size is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from a concave mirror. Concave mirror, that means this one. Okay. So here this pole, focus, center. From a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length, that means distance from pole to focus. Find the position, nature and height of the image. So these three things we have to find out. So according to sign convention, we have to write down the values first. Whatever is given in question, an object 4 centimeter in size. Size, that means like this. This is the object and its size is given 4 centimeter. So here we have taken h1, that means size of an object. Size of an image will take h2. So h1 size of an object 4 centimeter is given. Now what is given next? Placed at a distance of 20. That means this object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter. So this distance is of object. The object distance is taken as u. Okay, u is a symbol for object distance. So u is given 25 centimeter. From where this minus comes? As we have learned in sign convention, left side whatever the values, that will be negative always, and u is always negative. Whether it is mirror or lens, concave, convex, whatever. U, that means object distance, is always in that negative sign. So without thinking anything, just put minus in u. Now what is given next? Focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length is also concave mirror. That means that all the image or all the ray diagrams are on this side, left side. So this is also will be minus. Focal length is also in minus 15 centimeter. Okay, what we have learned in sign convention, left side whatever the values, minus, right side whatever the values, that will be plus. Now we have to find out position. Position means image distance, that means v. The formula is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. This is mirror formula and we have these values u and f. So as you are doing in maths, you can find out the third value. 2 is given, known, and third you can find out. So 1 upon v we have to find out. So u we will shift this side. 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now put all the values. 1 upon f, that means 1 upon minus 15 minus 1 upon minus 25. So when you will solve it all, LCM and all you have to do, then you will get minus 37.5. So position is minus 37.5. Minus is coming, that means where is the image? Left side only, this side. So image distance is minus 37.5 centimeter. Now nature. Nature means whether it is virtual or real. So whatever the image formed at left side जो भी image बनेगी concave mirror में, that will be real and inverted. So that's why it is real and inverted. Minus sign shows that it is real and inverted. Now third thing we have to find out height of the image. Height of the object is given, this 4 centimeter. Now height of the image, and that formula we know, magnification we have learned, h2 upon h. h2, that means height of an image upon height of an object. Ratio it is equal to minus v upon u. So we have v and u. These both values we are having. So we can find out that height of the image, height of the object we know. So h1 we know, h2 we have to find. h2 means height of an image. So v and u, all this you put here and cross multiply it, find out the value of h2, that is minus 6 centimeter. So height comes minus 6 centimeter, and here we have taken out all that position, nature and height of the image. So like that we have to solve numericals. For that, if you know ray diagrams and sign convention, that will be very easy then. These are important numericals. So please do all the NCERT examples first and then exercise question. So So this is about concave mirror. Now we will do for convex mirror also.